Great to have you.
Good to be back.
Especially on a day like today. What would you tell folks
at home? Everybody take a deep breath. Remain calm. The truth is...
Why?
Well, markets have days like this. I mean, it's, the market is reacting to the specifics of, what they heard from the Fed chair yesterday. I'm not surprised.
What did we hear from the Fed chair yesterday that made the markets upset?
He's just going to continue to do whatever he can to tamp down inflation. He's been incredibly...
Didn't we know he was doing that anyway?
Yeah, he's been incredibly forward on this. Like, it's straightforward on this. Very transparent.
But is he wrong? Should he be more worried about the economy? Is the market telling you that they're going to make a mistake?
So he's actually pointed to some very specific things in the 70s where the Fed sort of took its foot off the gas in terms of tamping down inflation, and it got worse down the road. So he's following the playbook. The Volcker playbook is to get out in front of it, make sure it goes away. He always has the ability to come back and cut rates later on if there's a problem with the economy. And so in times like this, I think you need to invest in places where you have a high degree of certainty of outcome, regardless of the volatility in markets. We just put out our 2023 themes. There's a couple of really great themes in there that for the longer-term investor should absolutely hold, regardless of how long it takes the Fed to tamp down inflation.
All right, so let's talk about some of them.
Yeah, so
here's a list. Focus on fundamentals, consumer and corporates.
Yeah.
What are the fundamentals showing?
So I think the consumer continues to be resilient, but I think they're going to be selective. And one of the things that
retail sales were a bummer today.
Yeah. So it's not one size fits all, just to be really clear, to use a retail term. So I think you have to look at the different buying patterns of consumers. So I was at a conference yesterday. You and I were both there, and we heard a
the
few
Yale
things.
CEO summit.
Right, one of them is
you
can't get a room in Mykonos for till 2026. You can't get airline tickets because there's. So how do you square that with the fact that the consumer may be saving in other areas or choosing lower cost items in certain areas? There are new buying patterns emerging post-COVID. This is something that I've been saying over and over again. The old data sets, the things that people would look at to see where the consumer is going to be and how they're going to behave, out the window. 2019 and previous doesn't matter. What happened during COVID doesn't matter. New patterns, new data sets are being formed on new consumer behaviors. Some of the things we saw during COVID will be stickier. Some of them will emerge as new trends. And as that happens, you'll get to see this dispersion around people's expectations until we actually have a higher degree of certainty. So I think you can be sure of a few things. One, deglobalization. Absolutely happening. The decoupling of China and America, or the Chinese influence and the American influence, 100%.
What do you do about that? What's the investment?
So one of them is that there's definitely going to be capital spend on re-engineering supply chains and reshoring. And we've been talking about this for years. No question, we're going to be building more chip capability, more fundamental commodity capability here in the United States, more ports in the United States.
But nobody wants to touch the chips if we're going into recession.
Yeah. Again, we might be going to a recession. It'll be short.
You're thinking longer.
Yeah. I mean, we have to spend so much money to replicate what we get from Taiwan, because the likelihood of Taiwan being an independent country in a decade is it's not high. Like there are certain things that are almost destined to happen. Listen, I hope it does. I hope that's not the case. But you can't be prepared. You can't expect that to be the case, especially with chips. So we will spend a lot of money in this country building chip infrastructure. We had a whole legislation around that. So I think those are the kinds of things that we're looking at.